have Katja giving us some wonderful and fantastical music. You're ready to go?
Well, I mean, let's see. Seems like I am.
All right, guys. So, can I get everyone's attention? Whilst Solar is sorting out things, she'll be going on last. So we've got Katja to take us on a journey, cinematic, synth pop. So prepare yourselves. I give you Katja.
Thank you. So, is it a math? Is it? What's the
Projection.
Okay. Oh wait, that works. There we go. Cool. Okay, hey guys. I'll be doing some stuff that may take you into a bit of a different realm. I'm a singer, producer, and songwriter, and I do kind of like synth pop type stuff. It's gonna be a little bit cinematic, soundtracky sounding. The first one is just an intro to what I'm about to do. feel surrounded by lost souls, moving in slow motion. I know I should let it go. Surrounded by lost souls, wandering in slow motion. I know I should let it go, but these twisted turns fuel my soul. Let me drown in this void of nothingness. Like waves distorted fantasies. Jolted awake with electric shocks in through my head. I guess I've clenched my jaw too much and dreamed, but I can't feel anything, yet I feel everything. My mind's preoccupied with the future, and my body's pulled from A to Z all day. But I can't feel anything, yet I feel everything. And I anticipate every step I'll take to numb myself from everything my heart might tell me. But I can't feel anything. So I'm not controlling. I bury my emotions so I can breathe. Disconnection is my strongest restless every time I wanna create distractions on my top priority. 'Cause I can't feel anything, but I feel everything. And I'm in fight or flight for most of the time. Feel backed into the corners of my mind, but I feel everything. So I'm out control free. Bury my emotions so I can breathe. Disconnection is my strongest You hear me say it again and again, that my mind says my phone, not my friend. It pushes against the cravings in my head. Makes them bad, it makes them shameful instead. Emotional availability is gone, and I'll replace the term with headstrong. 'Cause the man's world has taught me well that my dreams can't be real, but my days will be so I can breathe. Disconnection is my strongest Thank you. as you can tell, I'm a bit more of a singer, but I did produce all of these tracks myself. So this one I'm gonna play for you is just a little bit of an interlude before I go into a cover. And once you hear me sing it, you may or may not recognize it, but it's a really, really well-known song. The cover I did reproduce though, so it's my own version. Please fold them, let him hit me with it, baby, stay with me. Love game, intuition plays the cards with spades to start, and after he's been hooked, I'll be the one who's on his heart. Oh, 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 oh. I'll get him hot, show him what I've got. Oh, 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 oh. I'll get him hot, show him what I've got. Carry on, oh, you can read my poker face. Carry mine, oh, you can read my poker face. I wanna roll with him, a heart pair we will be. A little gambling is fun when you're with me. Russian roulette is not the same without a gun. And baby, if it's love, if it ain't rough, it isn't fun. Oh, 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 oh. I'll get him hot, show him what I've got. Oh, 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 oh. I'll get him hot, show him what I've got. Carry on, oh, you can read my poker face. Carry mine, oh, you can read my poker face. Hey, yeah, yeah. Tell you that I love you, kiss or hug you, but I'm bluffing with my muffin. I'm not lying, I'm just stirring with my love glue gun. And just like a chick in the casino, take your bank before I'll pay you out. I'll promise this, check this tank, 'cause I'm marvelous. Carry mine, oh, you can read my poker face. Yeah, yeah. Carry mine, oh, you can read my poker face. Yeah. Thank you. I'll dance like a puppet on your string. I'll sing when you order me to sing. I'll ring like a desperate violin. Yeah, yeah, you're so musical. The night is, you make a lie sound like it's true. You and So play me like my name is Philly. Lie to me and say you'll never leave. Drown me in your twisted melodies. I'll pretend you wrote them all from me. I'll jump. If you ask, I'll say how high. I'll run like sugar down your spine. For you, I'll give you my life. Yeah, you're so musical. And the art is to make a lie sound like it's true. You're unusual, creative. What I'll do to be your muse. So play me like my name is Philly. Lie to me and say you'll never leave. Drown me in your twisted melodies. I'll pretend you wrote them all for me. You're so musical. So play me like my name is Phil. Right. I've got one more for you guys. This one's called It's Not Enough. I can't find my way to this promised land, but fears and hopelessness are banned. Ideas of what my life would be began crumbling at 23. Eternal deadlines on the clock as birthday candles light me up to mark another season by. Disappointment's going strong, choking on my favorite greens to get me down to cruising speed. Stormy waves to tranquil seas, I call it my therapy. His heart is ringing in my ears for years. I drown all my desires in fears, convince me to give it up. 'Cause it's not enough. Years pass, but nothing changes. Got my mind set on escaping to pretenses in my dreams. When my own future's looking bleak, I grind all day and sing through rage to clear up my mental space. But even in these quiet times, only clutter fills my mind. Information overloading to distract from what ain't working, while the fears I haven't shared are what makes up my bed. His hand is ringing in my ears for years. I drown all my desires in whispers. Convince me to give
after day after day, and my nights are running away. I'm always just a little too late. I listen to hearsay, activities on replay. Feels like I'm my own disgrace, an imposter and a fake with shiny nails on display. But I can't run away from these traits. But I don't know if I believe in fate when I say I'll be what I always hated. Self-concept is fading to traces of 1,000 faces. They morph into shapelessness, selfishness.
Curious about music. Just come up on the chat, really. I can spell it out for you. My name is on Instagram. It's Katja Melina. But I'm a social person, so you can come up to chat if you're curious. I hope you have a great night. Thank you for having me.